So, what is the topic about? The topic of Custom of the Tagalog by Juan de Plasencia is a detailed exploration of customs, traditions, and way of life of the Tagalog people in the Philippines during that time period. The story provides various aspects of Tagalog society, including their political system, religious belief, marriage and family customs, and economic practices. And ang mulabaw jud para sa kuha sa pangutang nga what is the topic about is patungkol jud siya sa mga paniniwala nila sa mga butang sama sa pagtuo nila nga kailangan nila mag-offer og sacrifice para makakaon lang sila and na sila ginasamba-samba para lang sa kailangan nila. So that's it. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Rainer John B. Ruiz, and I will answer the question number 2. How do the women described in the text? So, women described in the text by they have a secondary social status. So, they mention in relationship to their husbands, father, or male relative. To sila daw ay pagmamayari ng kailang mga asawa at mga relatives na lalaki. And marriage of spring. So ang marriage of spring daw kay pag mababay daw sa nakay pwede may lista ng iyang status depende sa iyang mga mapangasawa. If masawa niya kay mga dato o rich, sao na siya o ang iyang anak kay pwede makakuha og malipayon na kinabuhi or kalayaan din ang pag ilang mapangasawa is mga slaves sila tanan magpamilya apil yang anak is may mo pudog mga katabang malang. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, my name is Renstenbert Ayan M. Canlas from Group 4. So my question is number 3. Discuss examples of Spanish impact on Tagalog customs. So example, Spanish influence changed Tagalog customs in significant way. For instance, Spanish colonial rule affect how legal matters were handled, including the imposition of fines in gold and the resulting servitude until debt were paid off. So, the introduction of Christianity also had a big impact, altering regulation practice like baptism, confessions, and worship rituals, which reshaped the Tagalog people's belief and tradition. Social structure were also affected with change in how children born to different social classes were treated and how inheritance ways develop a divide based on parental status. Additionally, traditional practice like offering sacrifice underwent transformations, and belief about the afterlife shaped the Spanish culture and religious influence. Overall, the presence of the Spanish profoundly changed Tagalog society and customs. So, mao lang to ma'am. Thank you.